There we go.
Do not play soccer on the top of the Sears Tower.
Howdy y'all, Trin here, and on today's episode we're going to the Little Man Ice Cream Factory. I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looked like before it opened, and then today we're going to go see the grand opening, so I'm going to show you that as well. Are you ready? Are you ready? So I'm here at the Little Man Ice Cream Factory, and it's still being built up, so it's not quite finished, but it will be done by the time this weekend comes around for its grand opening. Now, one thing they do have plenty of is noise. You know, I've never just eaten just a waffle cone, but I think I might. But damn, just a waffle cone is pretty good.
Much later.
Thanks for picking me up there, Tina.
No problem, Trin.
And we're on our way over to the Little Man Ice Cream Factory. So it's a grand opening. They're gonna have a bunch of event stuff like giveaways, and I think there's gonna be like a golden ticket giveaway.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta dress up as a ice cream man, which we did not.
Shit. All right.
But I was actually Googling it, and I don't even know if like Google has a definitive look of what an ice cream man
I
looks
feel
like.
like I've got ice cream colors.
I mean, you are definitely more ice cream looking than I am, I think, so.
Subconsciously, I just wanted to look like an ice cream cone.
Like, have you had Little Man ice cream before?
I actually haven't.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They're like a Denver establishment. I want to say they've been here for like 11 years.
Yeah. I mean, I've
And
definitely heard of them, but I'm not the biggest ice cream
oh,
person.
really?
I mean, I like ice cream. I just haven't ever. I don't go out for ice cream very often.
Really?
Right.
Okay. Well, we'll
So
have
I'm
to
a
see.
newbie.
Well, we'll see like what your opinion is then of these ice creams because you've never
sure.
had it.
Yeah.
So, boom.
I think it would be great.
So they had like a house that they were making everything in.
Oh.
It was like right by that original location, but it wasn't
Oh, cool.
like attached to it.
Right.
But they were making it all there, and then they decided to buy this new place and just expanded extremely.
That's awesome. So this is really big stuff for them.
Yeah.
Okay, pretty random.
Welcome to the party.
All right, guys, here we are in line for Little Man ice cream. Oh, Trin is gonna go. He's right there. He's going to get some footage from across the street. I'm holding down the line.
I don't know. I kind of want the root beer float,
Good option.
but I heard the carrot cake ice cream is really good.
Carrot cake root beer float.
I
Probably not.
don't know about that one, T.
They also have flights, which is kind of like, I'm like, can you put a flight in a cone? Because I gotta have a cone.
I'm wondering, yeah, I wonder how the flights are. Like, do they give you like 3 little tiny
Three
cones?
cones?
That would be awesome.
Double fisting ice cream?
It would be triple fist, right?
Triple fisting? One in the mouth.
There you go. There you go. There you go. That was an awesome spot.
It was so good. The ice cream was so good. Now I understand.
Super packed too, though.
So packed and delicious.
That's what you expect on day one of opening for the ice cream factory.
Right. Those waffle cones were so waffly, and the saltiness of the salted peanut butter cup. It's really good.
I thoroughly enjoyed my root beer float, that's for sure. And I had a little thing of carrot cake ice cream that was really good as well.
Carrot cake was really, it was like the sleeper. What is that? The wild card.
That's right.
Who would have thought? You
Right?
know, carrot cake and
carrot
ice cream.
cake ice cream.
So good with those little spices.
And it had little chunks of carrots, and it was kind of
Right.
like a cream frosting.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah. It's the healthy
Cream
ice
cheese
cream.
frosting. It was
Just
really
kidding.
good.
Just
Yeah.
kidding.
Is there such thing?
I don't think so. Off we go.
So the one thing that I thought was pretty cool was they had the flight,
Ice cream flight.
and it was the way that they did it. It was like a tray, right?
A little tray, and then you get like a little like measuring cup of a side, so like a topping. So you get 3 little ice creams, and then you get your topping that you can put on all 3 of your ice creams. So it's pretty awesome.
Right? It was a cool idea. So thanks, Tina, for picking me up and taking me down there. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for inviting me, Trin.
And we also figured out a really cool little team name we got, which of course is going to be
TNT.
Which, Trin and Tina.
Trin and Tina.
I mean, come on.
Genius.
Come on.
We are coming at you with the TNT footage. It's fire.
All right, Tina, thanks again, and you drive safe now.
All right, I'll be driving safe. Bye, guys.
All right, I'm gonna get out of this. Thanks again for watching this week's episode, and if you guys want to see any other specific places, just let us know in the comments where you think we should go, and we'll see if we can get a video going over there, whether that's events, breweries, restaurants, bars, you name it. If it's a cool spot, we'll go check it out. And if there's any other comments, any other feedback, just let us know. We're always open to it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode, and we will see you next time. Take care.